UK regulators race to help tech firms devastated by SVB collapse. Janet Yellen working to avoid bailout of SVB, report. US taking action to stop the spread of a troubling contagion. Welcome to Crypto News Today. Let's go with today's news. SVB bank failure plan. The UK is launching an emergency plan to rescue tech companies affected by the Silicon Valley Bank collapse. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak said the government is working urgently to deliver a plan to secure cash flow for the bank's UK clients. The Bank of England has halted operations of SVB branches, and over 200 founders and CEOs have signed a letter to the UK Chancellor urging for government intervention. SVB is one of the biggest lenders in the US, with massive assets from Web3 venture capitalists amounting to over $6 billion. Don't miss out on this dramatic rescue plan. Protect investors. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is working with regulators to protect investors from Silicon Valley Bank's collapse, but not considering a major bailout. Yellen warns that the collapse could trigger a run on thousands of small regional banks, with the FDIC considering a variety of options to protect deposits up to $250,000 per account. The Silicon Valley Bank was shut down on March 10th, and the FDIC is now the receiver. A dramatic situation is unfolding that could have a major impact on the U.S. economy. Bank run. Panic. The U.S. Treasury and FDIC are taking material action over the weekend to limit the devastating ripple effect of Silicon Valley Bank's collapse. Martin Gruenberg warned of the dangers of rising rates, while Janet Yellen and regulators are working to protect investors. An FDIC auction is taking place, with bids closing this Sunday, raising the stakes for trillions of dollars at risk of a bank run. Prepare for a dramatic weekend as authorities scramble to contain the fallout. Run for SV's future. Bank of London is planning to acquire the Silicon Valley Bank's UK subsidiary, sparking a race between private equity firms and Abu Dhabi investment vehicle ADQ. The British government is scrambling to rescue startups and tech companies affected by the SVB collapse with an emergency plan, while US regulators and White House officials are working over the weekend to protect investors. With a limited-time auction process open until Sunday, this acquisition could be a make-or-break moment for the Silicon Valley Bank. SVB collapses, $5 billion lost. Shockwaves were sent through the financial world as Silicon Valley Bank suddenly collapsed in 3 days, depegging stablecoins and raising fears among depositors with $5 billion stuck. Regulators in the US and UK took action to protect depositors, while venture capital firms and Elon Musk discussed buying the bank. US Treasury Secretary Yellen said no bailout, while PM Sunak said plans were in place to help UK customers. The FDIC auctioned the troubled bank on March 12th, with the Bank of London already making a bid. A dramatic turn of events for the world's top 20 bank. Leave your opinion in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.